How to log in into Bybit account. First of all, launch your Bybit application in your mobile device, and once you open it up, you will get this interface. From here, tap on this button with sign up/login. That's gonna take you to this page. Now this page is for your sign up, or this is a sign up portal. Now to log in, at the top right corner, there is a login now option, tap on it. Now you will land in Bybit login prompt. So if you have registered your account with email address, you have to type in the email address associated with your account. Under that, type in your correct password. Or if you have registered your account with mobile number, tap on mobile number, provide your mobile number along with the country code, and then enter the correct password. Once you have done providing your login information, tap on login button. And if your login information is correct, you will be directly logged into your Bybit account. So this is the way to log in into Bybit account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.